Before I actually worked at Cummins, that's when I did my 4 years of active duty. And I had 2 deployments. And my first deployment was, I did my job as a fueler. What we went around doing was filling up the generators at all the different little locations where everybody was at. And the generators were actually Cummins generators in the middle of Iraq. So of course I never knew, I lived where Cummins was at, but never thought about actually working there, right? It's a giant company. And so it was really cool when I came back out of active duty and was looking for work and got to actually now work at Cummins. And so it's a sense of pride to say, oh yeah, you know, my company, now that I work here, you know, we supply a lot of generators for the military forces.